Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download and play PUBG on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play PUBG on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, you will need to have the Steam app first, since this is where we will download the game. So if you don't have your Steam yet, let me now show you how to download it right now. But if you already have your Steam, you can skip this step and then proceed to this timestamp of the video to continue. So to install the Steam app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Steam, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly, so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're here on the official website of Steam, you can now download the app by clicking this download button right here. And then click the Install Steam once again. And after that, your Steam installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, just click the next button repeatedly, and then just click the install button once you reach this page. And after that, your Steam will now start installing. Just wait for this. And once it's finished, your Steam will now be opened. So for the last, you just have to log in your Steam account here, if you already have it. But if you don't have an account yet, just create one right here. But in my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And after logging in your account, it's done. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed your Steam on your PC or laptop. And now that you already have your Steam, let me now show you how to download the game here. So for the first step, I want you to search for the name of the game on the search bar to quickly find it. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and select it. And so, here's the game PUBG, guys. So to download it, just scroll down a little and you will see this play game button right here. Just go and click it. And then Steam will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this and then just select the new folder directory or drive where you want it to be saved. But if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for this to be finished, and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.